Hello, if you get this error on your ASUS motherboard after updating the BIOS, check out this video for a quick and easy step-by-step fix. Go to your ASUS motherboard support page, open the BIOS section, and download the BIOS version you are currently running. After downloading the BIOS zip file, do not extract it, copy it directly to a USB drive and plug it into your PC. When you turn on your computer, pressing F1 key to enter the BIOS. Then press F7. Then go to Tool and ASUS Easy Flash. On the left side select the USB stick drive and on the right side find BIOS zip file. This error occurred when a person upgraded the BIOS but only the CAP file and therefore the Mi firmware was not upgraded, so this time you need to select the entire zip file. Press F1 to enter BIOS and adjust. After that the computer should boot normally again. I won't be making any adjustments in the BIOS right now, so I'll just exit with the F10 key to see if the device will boot. Windows is booting. I hope the video helped you. You can subscribe for free for new videos.